All right, we just finished installing this Flatline Safari roof rack on a Mercedes 144 high roof van. It's pretty good. So we've got the drop front for our Baja L on the side. We've got brackets for our Fiamma awning. I recommend the F45. And moving around to the back, we'll take a look up top. So in my other video, I sort of shared what was underneath all of this. This is what it looks like all finished. Like I mentioned, it comes in sections. You can see the bolt pattern here. And the top, or the panels, sit on 80/20 that spans across the width. They have fan locations, different panels for fan location. Our front section is actually gonna have an AC, so we're gonna modify that a little in order to fit the AC up there. You can see they've got slots all the way down. They've got a few different L-track profiles that you can mount L-track studs and D-rings to. And then on the sides, they have wire chase, which you can't see, but you can access from right there. So this is highly recommended. Easy install. Be happy to help.